taken out a couple of rose stems, which were my head height, and I do that on a regular basis because it can get a little bit dangerous once you get really spiky or thin